Alright, this is old washing machine we talking about here. See everything hot. Spin our lid switch hot. Spin our brakes hot. Now the timer that's supposed to be here. Going through. And this is the hot. 555 timer IC controlling a relay. Timing for 5-second periods. On half, off half. Relay switching the current to the machine motor. I call this again? Single pole double throw. So you get the AC in from this brown wire. And one half of the cycle is sending the AC current to the yellow wire, spinning one direction. Second half of the cycle to the orange wire, spinning the other direction. Controlled by a 12 volt AC power supply. Separate the AC power supply from the washing machine. So test number 1, AC power supply on. 12 volt power supply on. This is the switch. Turn on the timer and the AC to the motor at the same time. A double pole single throw, we will call it. So switch on, the machine works. No pause between directions, so stop and start. Silent jerky. Let it working. So I go and wash my little bit of clothes tonight. Off switch, insulated with hot glue from my glue gun. On off, off. Try it one more time on. Really not getting hot. Time is not getting hot. Instead of controlling the coil and the reel and getting hot, it can like be on like boil code. Pick up the flash here to see lights, signal lights, where there's power. And blue are just to test while it does building, but decided to leave it on. On.